Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to weigh whether Sky Blue Credit Repair is worth it in 2025 by walking you through its low price, all exclusive plan with $79 setup and monthly fee that covers credit bureau disputes every 35 days, 3 bureau reports, personalized one-on-one support, score tracking, and flexible pause or cancellation plus a full no questions 90-day money back guarantee, plus a couple's discount that makes it even more affordable, set against the fact that it's not BBB accredited, lacks free consultations and advanced financial coaching, and has mixed user feedback with some praising the fast dispute cycle and helpful service, but others complaining about lackluster results, unexpected cancellations, or slow responses. So if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly way to outscore disputes, Sky Blue could save you time and hassle. But if you need deeper financial education, aggressive strategies, or uncompromised transparency, you might prefer DIY or explore other services. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more impartial reviews.